broken. It's an understatement, but it's the closest to describing how Shamari Williams feels. Almost a year ago, Shamari's life changed tragically after her common law husband, whom she shares a son with, attempted to take her life.
I came in from work. I went to sleep and only to know that I was awakened in KPH the other day.
She doesn't quite remember what happened, but based on what she was told, after her partner returned and found her asleep, he attacked her and set their home on fire, with both of them inside. Her partner died, but miraculously, Shamari managed to escape, but not without chopped wounds. She received chops to her neck, hand, head, and the hardest one to look at, right across her mouth.
The jawbone has been chopped and they had to pin it.
At first, she didn't quite understand what really transpired. But when she did,
it was just a sad moment, like the last, and I look out of space and all this. You just can't imagine that someone will really do this to you.
Her wounds are now healed, but the emotional scars perhaps will never heal. Keloid tissue stretched across every wound, a haunting reminder of the tragic event. Now looking in the mirror is a rarity.
Looking at my pictures before and after, it's sad.
The metal pin in her jaw affects her sometimes when it gets cold or when she eats. But despite the losses and the pain, she's happy she's alive.
It's very painful to know that you have work and furnish your home and then all that just went up in a blaze. It felt horrible, but I'm thankful for life.
Looking past the scars, Shamari says all she wants is to put it behind her, start over, and be that anchor for her son.
I'll do my best in growing him in the right way. That's when he become a man, he know how to love and treat a woman.
Her drive to achieve her true purpose in life, which is to be a nurse, has not died. She's now encouraging persons in abusive relationships to get counseling. And if it's not working out, get out.
Don't sit in it and wait until something horrible happens to you.
With a ray of hope, I'm Kayan Morgan.